Hey guys, I will give you a quick guide on how to get Divine and Prismatic rewards quickly in the new cooking update. As you can see, Crispy's craving is burger, so let's check the Grow a Garden wiki for Prismatic ingredients. If there's no Prismatic, Divine is good enough. We have 3 bone blossom fruits, 1 corn and 1 tomato, so we're gonna put those in the cooking pot.
But take note, do not put small base-sized fruit in the cooking pot, instead put big ones for better results. You can use Master Sprinkler to boost your fruit size. Here, I used 3 big blossoms, but the bigger the better, and a big corn and a big tomato. Also, if there is a growth mutation like gold or rainbow, that will affect the result and will make the reward better. So basically, the rarer and bigger the fruit, the better rewards you'll get. You will know once you got a good food cooked when the timer is 20 minutes to 1 hour. Usually the time for normal sized ingredients are 5 to 10 minutes. Here I got 30 minutes, so we know that this is a good sign. This won't be the best rewards you'll get, but I already got most of the Prismatic rewards because of this method. If you ever get the food but the craving is different, do not feed it to Crispy and wait until the craving is the food you have. When you feed him with the food he wants, he will give better rewards. Now I will skip this until the cooking is done. Now it's only 10 seconds. I hope we get a big food so we can get better rewards. We got a decent size of burger. I'm sure we can get at least 1 Prismatic reward and many more. Let's feed it and see. We got 3 gourmet eggs, 1 mochi mouse, 3 fried mutation spray, 2 gourmet seed packs, 1 cosmetic item, 2 small toys and another seed pack. I think that's pretty decent for that size of ingredients. This is my very first Grow a Garden video tutorial, so I hope I got all your support guys. Thank you for watching and hit subscribe if you think this was helpful. Enjoy!